As Keeling continued to devour the apple, he started to think about where it had come from. He knew that apples grew on trees, of course, but he had never really stopped to consider the journey that this particular apple had taken to end up in his kitchen. He wondered if it had been grown in a local orchard. He thought about the people who had picked the apple, and the process of getting it from the tree to the store. It was all really quite fascinating, he thought to himself. Eventually, Keeling finished the apple, and he felt a sense of accomplishment. He was glad that he had taken the time to fully enjoy such a simple and delicious fruit, and he made a mental note to do it more often.
Apples are so good. Alright, so I had a good rest, I had a good sleep, fully re-energized, and I'm ready to go. My mind is cleared, I have a better understanding of what I need to do and how to follow the steps. Now I watched someone do this earlier today, and the table is a little shaky, so I'm gonna turn this. There we go. Pops off. There is. You remember that song? Little emblem here showing this is glass, and it is probably the reason why the case is so damn heavy. So I'm gonna put my organizational shot glasses to use, so down the hatch. In the hard drive slot, there's a box full of screws. Now, I can't quite get them out though. I need like something that I can grip it from the... Oh. Okay, please, maybe this is it. Do you just, oh, these tabs, you press them and you pull. The whole thing comes out. No problem. So, as you can see, you quickly and easily remove this cardboard box from the back, which will contain all of your hardware that you will need to install the motherboard, along with Velcro straps for your cable management. Very handy, very easy to access. I'll put the screws from the back into my organizational shot glass. It's time, finally. I think it just, there it goes. It just pops out. So now I can put this in here. I have this handy screwdriver, by the way. There's no end on it because all the different bits are in here. Now, it smells like the in-betweens of your toes when you don't clean them for years. A screwdriver that's super handy like this, that's brand new, so I can replace it. It'd be really fucking nice. Why am I bleeding from a PC build? I don't know. But also, you know, why not, right? Out of these two screws, I think these are the ones. These seem too big, so I'm just gonna move the motherboard for a moment. So these screws should be the ones that go into these standoffs, and they do. Perfect. I will make sure the IO shield comes through the hole nicely. This might be too big of a bit, but no, that fits great. So that's perfect. This is cool. We have our motherboard beautifully seated into the PC case. Everything is looking very nice. If you're using this as a tutorial, I highly recommend not doing that.